Hey guys, so for today's video, we have another LinkedIn Deathmatch just for you. We have here Kevin O'Leary and Barbara Corcoran, two hosts of the segment Shark Tank. And if you remember on our previous LinkedIn Deathmatch, we have Gary Vaynerchuk and Neil Patel clashing again on the LinkedIn Deathmatch, and Gary V won by a split decision. So let's see here who wins. Let's see who has a more optimized LinkedIn profile. So that the battle begins.
Round one, fight!
For round one, we are going to check their cover photos. First, let's check Kevin O'Leary. So Kevin O'Leary is using a photo of his team, which is kind of sweet. It's making him look like the good boss, like the boss who appreciates everyone. And here on Barbara, she is showcasing his co-host on Shark Tank, which is also cool. She's not just promoting herself, but everyone or every host on Shark Tank, which is also good for the segment. But I appreciate more what Kevin did here. So it's promoting his business by promoting his team. It's like showing appreciation to everyone, which is for me a sweet thing to do for your employees. So I give this round for Kevin. So Kevin won round one. So let's see who wins at the next round.
Round two, fight!
Here on round two, we are going to check their headlines. So, if you're not familiar, headlines is the first rectangle here on LinkedIn. So, let's begin with Kevin O'Leary. So, Kevin has here Chairman O'Leary Ventures, and then just put his business page on LinkedIn and the school where he graduated. And if you check Barbara Corcoran, I think it has more information. So I think Camillary's lacking of information here. So, he didn't mention about Shark Tank or whatsoever, but Barbara talks about Shark Tanks on ABC, and that she's a public speaker, a podcast host, author, and the founder of Corcoran Group. So it's like promoting everything about yourself. She's taking advantage of the LinkedIn profile headline, and Kevin O'Leary isn't. He's not talking about anything else, but he's just a chairman of O'Leary Ventures, which I think he could put a lot more things here to promote himself or his other businesses. So Barbara wins round two. See you on the next round. So for round three, we are going to discuss their contact information, which is very vital if you have a business. Let's just say they know how your business works, what are the products and services that you're offering, but they don't know how to contact you. Then there is a problem. There's a gap on how they can reach you, and you need to fix that gap by putting contact information. So let's see. Let's check it. So as you can see here, Kevin O'Leary has his LinkedIn, websites, and Twitter, while Barbara Corcoran only put one of her um, websites, which is barbaracorcoran.com. It's a personal website according to him, so according to her. But so I think Kevin O'Leary won this round again because Barbara just didn't put like an effort to put other information here, but actually they both are lacking. So you can actually put your email here. Let's just say not your personal email, but your company's email. So if somebody needs your products, your services, you need to put your contact information here or your company's contact information instead if you don't want being bombarded by everyone on LinkedIn. So again, both of them are lacking information, but for the effort, I would give this round to Kevin O'Leary. See you on the next round. On this round, we're going to check their activities on LinkedIn, including their featured posts. So if you check here on Kevin, featured, he only has one featured post, and if you checked it, it was posted 2 years ago. And if you check Barbara Corcoran's, she has a lot of featured posts, like four featured posts. But if you check the latest one, it's also posted 2 years ago. So they're not that kind of active on LinkedIn. If I think so, because they're not updating their featured post, which is important. for your viewers to see what are the latest things on your LinkedIn or on your business. And if you check their activities, so Kevin posted 5 days ago, 2 days ago, 2 days ago. Barbara 22 hours, 1 day, 2 weeks, 2 weeks. So they're both like inconsistent on posting on LinkedIn. So I guess they lack effort. Not if you watch the previous video on Gary Vaynerchuk and Neil Patel, both of them are posting on a daily basis, if not twice a day. But them, they're like posting, there's gaps on their posting, on their consistency, which is bad in terms of knowing the algorithm of LinkedIn. But I guess they're not using LinkedIn for marketing, but just really to update people around them on what they're doing and what's their business. So again, they're both lacking here on the activities on LinkedIn. So I would give this a tie. So this round is a tie. See you on the next round. So on this round, we're going to talk about their about section. So as you can see, both of them didn't took really much effort on creating a great about section. So Kevin is just like pretty short sentences. Same with Barbara. Like, come on, sharks, you can do better than that. So I would say that this is a tie again, since they didn't put much effort into it. They didn't talk about their businesses or whatsoever. They just, just it's like, yeah, I just want to get this done. That's like how I feel when I check this. So yeah, this round is a tie. See you on the next round. On this round, we are going to talk about their experiences and skills to see which one is better. As you can see, um, in terms of experience, both of them has a lot of experience in running a company and being an entrepreneur. But Barbara seems to have more experience than Kevin. Barbara has been doing this for more than 18 years now, and Kevin's been doing this for more than 10 years. And yeah, both of them again has a lot of experiences to share with us. And in terms of skills, yeah. So again, Barbara has a lot more skills because she has a lot more experiences to share. So totally, she just has like, Kevin has like 10 skills listed here, but I believe he has a lot more skills. But um, Barbara really put here every skill set she has. If there are more that she didn't list in, then that would be like wow, like great exception. So Barbara clearly win this round in terms of experience and skills. She clearly nailed this one. And yeah, see you on the next round.
Final round. Fight!
So in this final round, we're going to check the last part of their LinkedIn profile, which is their publications. And as you can see here, Cavallari listed multiple publications, while on the other side, Barbara only listed one of her publications, which I doubt that she only has one, since she has a lot more experience and things that you could share on social media. And based on what I can see on her website and other accounts, she has more publications than this, and that will be helpful if she shared it here, and it will be a waste not sharing it. Unlike here on the other side, again, Kevin is really putting the effort here so that entrepreneurs and people who want to start their own business could read it, and it will be helpful and useful for them. So obviously this round is won by Kevin O'Leary. And yeah, if you want to check out his publications, go to his LinkedIn profile, read it, and believe me, you will learn a thing or more from it. So again, this round is won by Camille Larry, and let's see who won in total the number of round. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Flawless victory.
Hey guys, if you like our video for today, I hope you don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Kurt, Director of Business Development of BigLinker. I'm also their digital marketer. If you need any help with your LinkedIn profile, if you need any help getting more business on LinkedIn, please check biglinker.com and book a meeting with us. We will see how we can help you. All right, see you on the next video. Bye bye.